the magic of strength, an SMA journey. Welcome, explorers young and old. Together we enter a world where magic and science dance hand in hand, showing us just how fascinating our bodies truly are. Today I will tell you the extraordinary story of spinal muscular atrophy, or SMA for short. My founder himself lives with SMA and has shown us that true strength lies not just within our muscles, but deep within a mysterious language our body speaks. In our adventure, we will discover incredible things and meet brave little creatures who tirelessly work to keep us healthy and strong. Yet sometimes they face great challenges. Together, we will learn their stories and discover how they manage to maintain hope and strength despite all obstacles. Join me on an exciting journey through 5 magical chapters. The brave magic messengers of our body, the secret of the lost letters, the mystical family magic, the magical workshop of healing, a radiant light, full of hope. Come, let us set forth together and marvel. Chapter 1. The Brave Magic, Messengers of Our Body. Within our bodies exists a wondrous kingdom inhabited by millions of small, brave magic messengers, the motor neurons. They look like tiny messengers with shiny cloaks, tirelessly flying back and forth between our brain and our muscles. Every day they carry important messages, lovingly written letters sent by our brain. These letters contain precise instructions enabling our muscles to move, grow, play, and even laugh. Yet sometimes these brave messengers encounter great obstacles. In SMA, some of their most crucial roads are damaged or blocked, and some of these magic messengers themselves are weakened or entirely absent. Nevertheless, the remaining motor neurons never stop searching for solutions. They courageously work together to find alternative routes, traveling difficult, unknown paths to safely deliver their messages. The motor neurons know no fear. Even when some friends are missing or their strength fades, they never give up. They form small groups that stick together and creatively discover new ways to bring messages to the muscles. Sometimes the journey is long and arduous, often requiring many detours. Yet their courage and perseverance inspire all creatures within our magical kingdom. Each successful letter delivered grants the muscles strength, hope, and energy. Every small success of the motor neurons is celebrated like a grand festival. These magic messengers teach us the meaning of true strength. Never giving up, continuing forward, and firmly standing together, even when challenges arise. Their story is one of courage and hope, encouraging us all to believe in ourselves and never lose hope. The brave magic messengers care for each other, helping weaker comrades and supporting each other through every challenge. Together, they build new roads, discover hidden paths, and ensure each letter reaches its destination. Their unity makes them strong, and their strength gives us all confidence. We can learn much from these small, courageous beings. Their world is filled with surprises and challenges, yet they never lose their optimism or determination. They show us how important it is to believe in ourselves and each other, teaching us how powerful community and hope can be. The motor neurons work constantly, day and night, to ensure each message reaches its destination. They never take breaks or feel tired, knowing how vital their task is. They remind us how valuable every contribution is, no matter how small it may seem. Let us learn from these wonderful magic messengers and discover together the importance of courage, hope, and community. Their story marks the beginning of our journey, helping us better understand the secrets of our body and the strength within ourselves.